Earl Lindo was one of Bob Marley and the Wailers' keyboardists, died in a hospital in London, UK on September 4. He was 64. Back in March 2017 he was part of the Wailers' UK tour with Aston family men Barrett and Junior Marvin. News of Lindo's passing was met with an outpouring of tributes on social media, as family, friends, artists, and fans expressed their grief. One member of the Wailer wrote, "The Wailers, there is only one Earl Wya Lindo, and today he went home to join Bob, Peter, and Carly for a mystical jam session in Zion. This teenage musical genius, producer and visionary was the first invited to join Bob, Peter and Bunny when his reputation and talent reached Bob's ears. We are so proud that Wya joined us in March 2017 for our UK tour, keeping the Wailers' music and message alive." Other tributes pour in. We lost another great one from the music fraternity. My deepest, heartfelt condolences on the passing of the legendary keyboardist, Earl Wya Lindo, from the legendary, Bob Marley's band, the Wailers. Give thanks to the Almighty for comforting everyone with the outpouring of love that is surrounding his family, friends, fans, and colleagues. And tributes go on. Respect due to the Wailers, Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Carlton, Barrett, and Earl Wya Lindo. We will always do our best in keeping the music alive, and to keep it moving forward with fellow members. Respect to Bunny Wailer, who should always be respected for the great work they did. Bunny Wailer, family man, Junior Marvin, and others will love in unity to show the world peace, and to keep the music alive. A very sad day today for me, as it appears Earl Wya Lindo, the absolutely amazing keyboardist for Bob Marley and the Wailers, may have passed on. Wya was, during my time with the Wailers, one of the most impressive musicians of them all. We got along like a house on fire, and I really did like Wya a lot. Wya was not only one of the best keyboard players I have ever seen, and I've seen a lot, but he also was one of the most unique human beings anyone could ever meet. And his hands? The biggest I've ever seen. And when he started slapping the B3 keys, sorry to hear about the passing of my friend and fellow Wailer. Earl Wya Lindo, what a great person and musician. It was an honor to have played with you. My prayers to your family, peace. It was heartbreaking hearing the news this morning that Wya Lindo has passed on. Whilst he'd been relatively inactive during the past few years, this talented keyboardist played on so many classic recordings, not just by Bob Marley and the Wailers, but also Alton Ellis, U-Roy, Tommy McCook, the Abyssinians Reggae. The list goes on. Much love to his wife Marie and their daughters, his other family members and friends.